Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to request parental approval on Cash App. First, open Cash App on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Family Accounts. Once there, tap I am a team at the bottom. You'll then be prompted to enter your legal name, followed by tapping Next. After that, input your date of birth and tap Next again. On the next screen, tap Request Approval at the bottom. You'll then need to enter your parents' or sponsor's cash tag. Select their profile when it pops up and tap Next in the top right corner. Once the request is sent, your sponsor will need to accept it and you can complete setting up your Cash App account. And that's how you request parental or sponsor approval on Cash App. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.